Rumors first circulated in 2019 that a version of WhatsApp for use on iPods and iPads was under development. But in 2020, an official statement disproved those rumors and that no iPod or iPad version of WhatsApp was under development. WhatsApp was originally designed for use on phones and the staff has no plans to expand beyond them. Only for holding a video call or sending photos with your messages or even to take your profile picture. You can use the camera to simply take a picture and then apply any one of WhatsApp's available filters to the picture you've taken. These filters include Pop, Cool, and Chrome among others.